August 19 marks the memorial of Bishop Belchior Carneiro Leitão, one of the first bishops of the Jesuit order. Today, there is not just a bishop, there is a Pope himself from the Jesuits. But even before that, the first bishops of the Jesuit order, Belchior Carneiro Leitão. So he was born in the year 1516. He entered the Society of Jesus on 25th of April 1543, long back when Saint Francis Xavier himself was alive. On 5th of May 1555, he was consecrated in Lisbon and were of the first Jesuits to be raised to the episcopal dignity. So he was not able to enter his mission field in Ethiopia, and he came to Goa and he worked over here. So he was finally ordained a bishop on 15th December 1560 by Father Barreto in Goa. So he received a brief from Pope Pius V in 1556, and he was appointed as the apostolic administrator for the Portuguese missions in Japan and China. He continued to labor also in the Malabar coast in Kerala under 1567, and then he went to Macau, where the Jesuits established their mission. So he entered there in June 1568, therefore becoming the first consecrated bishop in the region of China and Japan. He became the nominal patriarch of Ethiopia as well in 1577. And later in his life, he retired to the convent of the Society of Jesus at Macau, where he died in the year 1583. So we will say a prayer for his soul. As we are remembering him, let us remember the sacrifices made by these missionaries for our faith. We say, eternal rest grant unto his soul, O Lord, and let perpetual light shine upon him. May his soul rest in peace. Amen.